HR functionality in Bitrix24's intranet includes a systematic approach to listing and viewing employee absences. Each employee can use the personal calendar's availability option to indicate being out of the office. I will enter a 2-day absence for the end of this week. This feature is also available in the Daily Planner interface. Suppose I'm going to do an on-site consultation all afternoon. I simply put it into the Daily Planner interface, check the Out of Office box, and hit Add. Now let's check the absence chart's weekly view, and we see both events. The HR department also has the option to add entries to the absence chart on behalf of other employees. I can choose an employee from the company structure, set the dates and the type of absence, and it will be added immediately. The chart itself can be sorted by department and by absence type. In the on-site version of the product, there are purpose-built business processes which can add entries to the absence chart. These are located under the Services section of the menu. I have made some modifications so that I can demonstrate this entire process using a single user. If an employee puts a request for a business trip in, an approval process is started. Here you see that the request has been put in, and then as the head of the department, I'm being asked to approve it. After I click Accept to approve the business process, the request still must be registered, meaning that the accountant needs to make sure that the process is properly documented. When this step is passed, the process goes back to the employee who is going on the business trip. We can already see that the trip is listed on the absence chart. Note that although the cloud version of Bitrix24 does not have these special business processes, a custom process could be constructed which would add absence chart entries.